WordPress has a powerful built-in text editor that allows you to easily create, edit and format your site's content. In this lesson, you'll learn how to format text, create links, add images and restore previous versions of your page or post. Select Posts, Add New. Give the post a title, call it Text Editor Practice, and paste in the text from the notes. The visual editor allows you to see how your content will appear on the live site. You can highlight the word formatted and make it bold by simply clicking on a button. Now, select the Text tab to reveal the underlying HTML. The visual editor hides the underlying HTML, which is the computer language used to make web pages. Here you can see the HTML tags, which represent bold formatting. When initially opened, the visual editor will display a single row of icons. Icons you may not be familiar with include block quote, which is a way of displaying quoted text so that it stands out, for example with testimonials. Insert or edit link, which creates a link allowing the visitor to jump to another web page. Unlink removes a link. The More tag allows you to truncate your posts so that only the first part is displayed on your news or archive pages. You've also got a full screen mode, which makes the text editor go full screen for a clutter-free writing experience. And finally, the kitchen sink reveals a second row of buttons which offer more formatting options. The hidden row also contains a few buttons you might not be familiar with. Sometimes when you paste text from other applications like Microsoft Word, you can copy over the formatting too, which can cause problems. These two buttons help in that situation. The Clear Formatting button removes formatting from any highlighted text. And this one allows you to insert special symbols. You can make any word link to any other web page or file on the internet. Let's make the word content link to its definition on Wikipedia. First, open a new tab in your browser. Run a Google search for the word content. Select the Wikipedia result to view the definition. To link to any page on the web, you should first browse to the page in your browser, then highlight the URL or web address in the top of your browser and copy it to your clipboard. Windows users can right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy. Now return to your post, highlight the word Content and select the link icon. Paste in the URL and choose whether you want the page to open in a new browser tab or not. When you're ready, hit Add Link. Please note that you cannot click on links from within the text editor. To test your link, you'll need to publish the post and view it from the front end of your site. WordPress stores a revision of your page or post every 60 seconds, or whenever you hit Save Draft, Publish or Update. Revisions allow you to look back at the changes you've made and revert to an earlier version if necessary. Revisions are extremely useful in the event that your browser crashes or that you leave the page by mistake. Edit your post once again. Add the text. This text was added later. And hit Update. Now you have more than one saved version, you can browse your revisions by clicking Browse. Drag the slider left and right to scroll through old revisions. To compare any two revisions, simply scroll through using the scroll bar. You will always see the newer version on the right compared to the version before it on the left. This allows you to compare the HTML of both versions side by side. Content that has been removed is highlighted in red, and content that has been added is highlighted in green. When you see the version of the post that you want to restore on the right, hit the Restore this revision button. WordPress has a powerful image manager that makes adding an image to your page or post very easy indeed. Download the image from the notes by right-clicking on the image and selecting Save Image As. Now choose the folder on your computer where you wish to save the image and hit Save. Next, we'll upload the image to our post. Place your cursor on the line where you want the image to be inserted. Click the Add Media button. Click Select Files to choose the picture from your computer to upload. You can also view all previously uploaded images from the Media Library tab. Once the uploading process has completed, you will be given an option to add some additional information to the image settings before inserting the image into your post or page. You can give the image a title, a caption, and alt text, which is meant to be an alternative information source for people with visual impairments, or search engines like Google. Finally, you can edit how the image will be displayed. You can set the alignment to left, right, or center. You can allow your image to link to another file or web page by entering a URL here, or select none to stop the image from being a link. And finally, you can choose to insert the image in its original size, or you can choose some preset smaller sizes. Finally, click Insert into Post to see the image inserted into your post. You can set the default image sizes from the Settings Media page. By clicking on an image in your text editor, you can select Edit to modify any of the previous options, such as alignment or the caption, or change the size of the image. To remove an image, simply click on the image in your text editor and select Remove. When adding an image, you have two more options besides simply inserting the image into your page or post. You can create a gallery, which allows you to insert multiple images into a basic image gallery. Or you can sometimes add a featured image, which allows you to associate an image with your post listing on the blog page of your site. Featured images can encourage people to read your post, but are not compatible with all themes. To summarize, the WordPress text editor masks the fact that your website content is really encoded in HTML. The WordPress text editor has two rows of buttons, however only one row is visible by default. Copying and pasting text from external sources can sometimes cause problems because incompatible formatting data is also carried across. Links are an important part of writing content on the web. You can make any word or image a link to any other web page or file on the internet. WordPress stores a revision of your page or post every 60 seconds, or each time you hit Save Draft, Publish or Update. You can browse through these revisions, view the differences, and restore a previous version. Inserting an image into a page or post is easy. You can also insert a gallery of images or add a featured image to a post. We've now covered all the basic WordPress operations. With a little practice, you'll be editing text and managing content with your eyes closed. And don't forget, you'll find step-by-step notes for this tutorial on wpapplied.com, where you can also ask me questions and find more free tutorials on how to build websites for photographers, restaurants, local small businesses, e-commerce sites, news blogs, and lots more. Until next time, I'm Brian Duffy, your WordPress tutor. Thanks for watching.